Welcome to another episode, guys, and we're going to hit some basics today. And as everyone knows, cryptocurrency is the market to hit these days. So we're going to, like I said, we're going to touch the basics today, and we'll start off by asking from the expert on the other side, what is cryptocurrency?
Right, guys. So cryptocurrency is the digital currency. Digital currency, like, we always use a cash system. We used to use gold. We used to use some other heavy metal before, or some other way of trading at all times, right? So it kind of evolved into cash system, fiat currency. And then slowly it's going into the digital currency, guys, because we are in the digital world, right? So that's exactly what digital currency, anything digital or virtual currency for transaction purposes, it's called cryptocurrency, basically.
And I got to ask you this question. So yeah, we mentioned about fiat currency, right? The normal the notes and coins that we talk, right? That's fiat currency, and that's of course reliable, and it's regulated by the federal reserves in the U.S. I mean, federal government. But there's an issue with cryptocurrency about, there's a lot going on about the regulations, and it's not regulated to start virtual currency regulation. When we talk about virtual currency and regulation, it's not regulated in the first place. What is the reliability of virtual currency? Yes, you said that it's being used as a method of payment, but compared to fiat currency, it's not regulated. So what's the risk there, and is it really a risk?
Right. Actually, that's a good question. Like, if you think about the cryptocurrency itself, it's not owned by anybody. It just is decentralized, it's decentralized. The technology is out there, and a team produces that cryptocurrency. There's a limit always, like, this many cryptocurrencies exist in each one of them. Like for Bitcoin, for example, it's 21 million Bitcoins. That's it. And there is nothing more. Just like that, Ethereum has some limit. Some of them don't have a limit, but it's a decentralized. It does not, nobody governs it. No, that's a beauty of it's a both positive and negative side of it. But when it comes to governance, like we are talking about what every government is doing, they're realizing how easy it is to transact through digital means, right? Because everybody got a phone, because they're developing something called CBDC. Entire world, every government is developing that, right? So it is a digital currency for the government. Like, it's just like basically they are going to be converting. The USD will be one day digital currency, digital USD. It's not going to be having, like, printing the paper. Like, it costs like 11 cents to print each dollar, right? So they don't want to be spending like thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, billions of dollars printing those. So it's all going to be digital, and these other cryptocurrencies live along with it. It's going to be living along with it because there's a lot of other technology involved. It's going to stay there. Government, nobody can stop it. No other government can stop it. It's already out there worldwide.
So what you're saying is future is bright. Simple as that.
Right. For example, today, a couple days ago, yesterday, El Salvador, a few other countries actually recognize the first country in the world, Bitcoin, as their currency. So think about it. Other countries will join soon.
And did I hear about Japan too some time ago, like a few weeks ago? I'm not sure. I didn't know about that.
No, Japan would be, if they do it, it's going to be huge news. But
it's going to be huge,
right?
For some maybe some Asian country, I'm not quite sure. But if one of the Latin South American countries recognize it as a that's a big news. So future is bright. Of course, it doesn't have the regulatory background that a typical fiat currency does. But future is bright, and a decentralized system, and if one country adopts it, who knows? South America, I mean, there's a lot of landlocked countries. One adopts something and easily translates to other countries very easily. Could happen in North America somewhere down the road too. Thank you so much, Venkat, for those information. Some new information coming up as we speak about this, and stay tuned. We got some more topics for you.
All right. Thank you, guys.